Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for October the 10th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Mylan will pay $465 million to the U.S. Department of Justice to settle claims related to the classification of EpiPen under the Medicaid rebate program. As a result, the company reduced its full-year earnings guidance to a per-share range of $4.70 to $4.90, down from prior guidance of $4.85 to $5.15. Also in the news, Merck Co.'s Keytruda in combination with chemotherapy resulted in superior efficacy over chemotherapy alone as a first-line treatment in patients with metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. Results showed that Keytruda reduced the risk of progression or death by 50% compared to chemotherapy alone, with a median progression-free survival of 10.3 months and 6 months respectively. In other news, non-small cell lung cancer patients with at least 5% PD-L1 expression given Bristol-Myers Squibb Opdivo had median progression-free survival of 4.2 months versus 5.9 months for chemotherapy. Fuad Namouni, head of oncology development, said, "We thought Opdivo could beat chemotherapy, and we have answered the question. For the broad population, it is not enough." In addition, data showed that Novartis' ribociclib in combination with Femara reduced the risk of progression or death by 44% versus Femara alone in certain women with breast cancer. The drug maker noted that median progression-free survival was 14.7 months in patients who received Femara alone, while the median point has not yet been reached in the combination arm. And finally, patients with non-small cell lung cancer who received Roche's Tecentriq lived a median of 13.8 months, 4.2 months longer than those treated with docetaxel. Chief Medical Officer Sandra Horning said the drug is the first and only anti-PD-L1 cancer immunotherapy to help patients live significantly longer than when treated with chemotherapy, regardless of their PD-L1 expression level.
To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.